Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to set up reviews on products in Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to set up reviews on products in Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to set up reviews on products in Shopify store. So today I'm going to show you how to set up reviews on products in Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Setting up reviews on products in Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now you are seeing different buttons on left corner. Click on apps. Now click on recommended apps. Scroll down. Click on Shopify App Store. Now in top search bar, write product reviews. Now click on any product review app. Click on install. Click on install app. Customize it according to your requirements. It will show review section in your products. So reviews will build a strong relationship between you and your customers. There you go. If you wanted to know how to set up reviews on products in Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.